Hi everyone, I'm Karen from Beats Vegan Cooking School, and can you hear that lovely bird? Oh, it's so beautiful, it's singing away. I got these amazing tomatoes, really cheap organic tomatoes, and so there were so many of them. I made some tomato sauce and froze it, and then I thought I'd make an harissa. Harissa, if many people know harissa, but it's a really nice condiment to have on many things, especially the omelette that we make in the online course. And normally it's made with red capsicums, but you can really adapt things, and so I've just popped them in the oven and cooked them. And then in this pan here I've toasted up some tempered, it's called actually, some coriander and cumin, and I also did some chili, so they've got some nice black pieces on them. So that just gives it a lovely flavor, and it's lots of chili, so you have to love chili to make this. So I'm just taking those out, and then what I'll do is I'll pop the coriander and the cumin into my spice grinder and grind those up as fine as I can, but it's okay if there's still little bits of pieces in it. And then I'm going to put everything in the blender. Did I say I've got garlic? I've got boiled garlic as well. And in the video yesterday I showed you how to boil the garlic and why I do that. So this will get ground in here, and then everything will not go in the blender, it will go in the food processor. Here, the food processor. If I put it in the blender, it will make a sauce. We actually want a condiment. So yeah, try that recipe. You can pop a bit of coriander, fresh coriander in it if you want. It won't last as long, and if you want to make it last longer in the fridge, you just put olive oil on the top, and that will help preserve it. Okay everyone, thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.